The internet has transformed commerce. Buying and selling are now global and instant. This is the age of e-commerce. Millions of businesses operate online, and even more consumers shop from their homes. This shift presents incredible opportunities. Choosing the right platform is critical. The right platform means success, while the wrong one can stifle growth. Two giants dominate the e-commerce landscape: Shopify and DigiStore24. Shopify is a behemoth in e-commerce. Millions of businesses trust Shopify and power their online stores with its tools. Shopify's growth has been remarkable. It has become synonymous with online selling. Shopify's popularity is undeniable. Users praise its ease of use. Setting up shop is intuitive and fast. It offers a wealth of features, including marketing tools, payment gateways, and design templates. Shopify is a robust solution for businesses of all sizes. Both Shopify and DigiStore24 offer powerful features, catering to different needs. Shopify excels in versatility. It empowers businesses to create custom online stores and provides a high degree of control over design and functionality. On the other hand, DigiStore24 shines in affiliate marketing. It connects vendors with affiliates, broadening product reach and driving sales. DigiStore24 simplifies digital product delivery and automates the sales process. Shopify is ideal for businesses selling physical and digital goods, giving them a direct-to-consumer channel. DigiStore24 is best for digital products and information products, leveraging the power of affiliates. In this section, pricing and profitability, unveiling the costs, we'll explore the financial aspects of both platforms. Shopify operates on a subscription-based model, offering various plans tailored to different needs. Each plan unlocks additional features and capabilities. However, it's important to note that Shopify also charges transaction fees, which vary depending on the payment gateway used. On the other hand, DigiStore24's pricing structure is quite different, focusing mainly on transaction fees. They take a percentage of each sale, making DigiStore24 an attractive option for businesses with low sales volume. Choosing the right platform depends on your budget, so consider your sales volume and projected growth. While Shopify's subscription model offers predictability, DigiStore24's transaction-based pricing can be more cost-effective for certain businesses. Now, let's delve into Section 5, the future of selling online. A look ahead. The e-commerce landscape is dynamic and constantly evolving. New technologies and consumer behaviors are emerging, and both Shopify and DigiStore24 are adapting to these changes by constantly innovating. The future of e-commerce is indeed bright, with more businesses expected to establish their online presence. Platforms like Shopify and DigiStore24 will play a crucial role in this evolution, empowering businesses to thrive in the digital marketplace. Choose the platform that aligns with your business goals and embrace the future of commerce.